and welcome to my channel. For this beautiful Halloween, I'm showing you how to create this glittery and glam Little Red Riding Hood makeup look. This look is very simple but makes a statement with sparkle and a lacy mask. Be sure you like this video if you're loving this look, and without further ado, let's jump into the tutorial. Start out by applying foundation and concealer. Since this is a more glam look, I'm using more medium to full coverage products to create a flawless base. Don't forget to set that in with powder so it lasts. For brows, I'm lightly filling in with a brow pencil to define and darken my brow shape. Feel free to skip this step if you plan on wearing any face decals or a face lace like I'm wearing for this look, because really you won't be able to see your brows anyways. But you could always do them. Add clear brow gel to fluff up the brow shape. I do have on some under eye baking powder, so I'm dusting that away and just setting my whole face to prep for contour. Picking up this cool toned powder, I'm gonna add some contour to the hollows of my cheeks, forehead, jaw, and also contour my nose with the shade. Snatch that nose. You can add more powder underneath the contour to create a sharper shape. I'm using a red eyeshadow base to create a vibrant canvas for this glittery red eye. Hence the name Little Red. For her look, we're gonna do a pop of red all over the eyes. Bring that creamy red base all the way around the eye and then set with a matte red eyeshadow. This one is super red. Very red. Now for red glitter. First apply a glitter base so it has something to stick to. This is my favorite kind because it's very thin and watery, so it doesn't make glitter look too chunky. Once the adhesive is applied, add red glitter over top with a fluffy brush. And for this look, I blended the glitter out so it wraps all the way around my eyes. Add mascara and false lashes. I'm rosying up the cheeks with this pink and red matte blush that complements the eye look. And adding a champagne highlighter for a dewy glow. Can't forget the body, so I'm also adding some shimmer to the collarbones. For lips, we have to do a red lip for Little Red Riding Hood, so I'm applying this matte red liquid lipstick. And then right over top, I am using a metallic red lip topper. This will give more of a metallic finish to the lips. Don't forget to set your face with a setting spray to lock all of that makeup in. Now it's time for the best part and the star of the show, the mask. Since Red Riding Hood is headed to her grandmother's house, I thought it would be super cute and stylish for her to be wearing a mysterious face lace mask. If you have red glitter gel, add some into the hair. And if you want to be extra and extra sparkly, add red glitter on the lips for a monochromatic look. And there you have it, a super simple yet glamorous Little Red Riding Hood. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and if you did, be sure you leave a comment down below. Let me know what looks you'd like to see next. Don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Have a beautiful Halloween.